Previously on designing my dream home, I showed you a video of all the rooms that Kelsey, you're too loud. Previously on designing my dream home, I showed you a video of all the rooms that I would like and examples of them. So no, previously on designing my dream home, I showed you all the videos. Previously on designing my dream home, I showed you the different rooms and what I would like in the different rooms. Now, today I'm going to show you the prayer room. Now, I already selected the items or examples of how I would want my prayer room. So let's begin, guys. All right, so first up is this one right here. So you have on the wall, you will have a like probably a writing of some sort on the wall, but for me I would like things that I'm praying for on the wall. So for example, marriage, um my kids, I will put those on the wall instead of like be still. So just a reminder of the things I would pray for on the wall. I will definitely want a board like this to put my prayer requests or my prayers on the wall or scriptures on the wall. So instead of like spreading it out everywhere, I would have the board going on. I really like this because I am an artist. I would like that little section there where I could do my little crafting and stuff like that. We get more into that soon. So this is the board that I'm talking about. So I would have all my prayer requests and little notes and stuff on the wall like that. All right, I would definitely want my prayer closet to be pink. Kelsey? I would definitely want my prayer room or closet to be pink. So you have that pink looking thing right there. I will definitely want my prayer room to be. I will definitely. I will definitely want. I will definitely want my prayer room to be pink. So you have this pink looking room right here and somewhere to hang my coat or my shawl or my handkerchief. So you have this right here, and it's also doubles as a little shelf to put my little prayer trinkets or anything that is sentimental to me or meaningful in a good way to me on the shelf right here. This is a nice gesture where you can have a little seating and a little table and your books on it. But definitely I would want a shelf for all my prayer books like this and storage underneath for my prayer water, prayer oils, and probably extra clothing or prayer things that I might need in the storage at the bottom right here. I definitely also would want a prayer mat and a bean bag in my prayer room, not to mention a little table. So if I don't want to be on the ground at any point, I could sit on the chair and I have a little desk right there to sit and do my little doodling. So these would be different examples of what I would want in my prayer room. Also little trinkets like the cross, the ark of the covenant, and other little things. All right, bookmarkers, other little things. So scroll down now, I found these little things that goes into other person's prayer room. You have the kneeling chair right there. You have this little Bible holding thing right there. That's a good gesture. This right here is like a 3-tier shelf thing. So this is very cute. That could be in, and you have different styles going on here. This one is very cute. I didn't realize this was screenshotted, but anyway, so you have different styles going on there. I would definitely want it to be large, like for example, this now would be in the corner here. So you have the 3 levels, 1, 2, 3, and then I would put like my little trinkets and things on it, my bags and stuff like on it like that. Yeah, so I would prefer it to be big. So these are my examples or my ideas. So these are my examples or ideas that I would want in my prayer room. So yes guys, thank you very much for watching and I will see you in the next one. So yes, thank you guys for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.